Greetings and warm welcome to San Francisco Bay. When you achieve something remarkable, you have caught lightning in a bottle.
This is where Audi design stands for. Technology in perfect harmony with design. That's e-tron.
It's nice to see focus on the technology behind the brand.
They just explain the things that's happening behind the doors, and finally, the things that used to be concepts is here. This is something new.
It will have a lot more reliable technology on a number of fronts.
Es ist super beeindruckend. Ich bin gespannt, was da noch in Zukunft auf uns zukommt.
Das ist nicht irgendein Launch, sondern es geht hier schon um etwas Größeres für Audi.
I didn't expect anything like this. This is definitely over the top. It's a game changer.
Together, we are absolutely ready. That future is now. Tonight was only the very beginning.